JEE Advanced 2021, Paper 1, Question 3. Physics Optics Lens System. Let us visualize the optical setup. An object O is placed 10 cm in front of a convex lens L1. A concave lens L2 is placed 10 cm behind lens L1. All curved surfaces have radius of curvature are equal to 20 cm and the refractive index n is 1.5. We need to find the total magnification of this two-lens system. The question asks, an object O is placed 10 cm in front of convex lens L1. A concave lens L2 is placed 10 cm behind lens L1. All curved surfaces have radius of curvature are equal to 20 cm and refractive index n equal to 1.5. Find the magnification. The options are option A, 0.4, option B, 0.8, option C, 1.3, option D, 1.6. The key concepts we need are, first, the lensmaker's equation, which gives the focal length f of a lens from its refractive index n and radii of curvature r1 and r2. Second, the thin lens formula, 1 over v minus 1 over u equals 1 over f. And third, magnification m equals v over u. For a two-lens system, the total magnification is m1 times m2. We use the standard sign convention where distances to the right of the lens are positive. Step 1. Find the focal length of convex lens L1. For a double convex lens, R1 is positive 20 and R2 is negative 20. Applying the lensmaker's equation, 1 over f1 equals n minus 1 times 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. That gives 0.5 times 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20, which equals 1 over 20. So focal length f1 is positive 20 centimeters. Step 2. Focal length of concave lens L2. For a double concave lens, R1 is negative 20 and R2 is positive 20. So 1 over f2 equals 0.5 times negative 1 over 20 minus 1 over 20, which gives negative 1 over 20. Hence focal length f2 is negative 20 centimeters. Step 3. Find the image formed by lens L1. Object distance u1 is negative 10 centimeters. Using the thin lens formula, 1 over v1 equals 1 over f1 plus 1 over u1. That gives 1 over 20 minus 1 over 10, which equals negative 1 over 20. So v1 is negative 20 centimeters, meaning the image is virtual, formed on the same side as the object. The magnification m1 is v1 over u1, which is negative 20 over negative 10, giving us m1 equals 2. The image is magnified and erect. Step 4. Now for lens L2. The image from lens L1 is 20 centimeters to the left of L1. Since L2 is 10 centimeters to the right of L1, the object distance for L2 is negative 30 centimeters. Using the lens formula with f2 equals negative 21 over v2 equals negative 1 over 20 minus 1 over 30, which gives negative 5 over 60, or negative 1 over 12. So v2 is negative 12 centimeters. Magnification m2 is negative 12 over negative 30, which equals 0.4. Step 5. The total magnification. M total equals m1 times m2, which is 2 times 0.4, giving us 0.8. The answer is option B, 0.8. The convex lens L1 produces a magnification of 2, and the concave lens L2 gives 0.4. Their product, 0.8, is the total magnification. Exam tips for JEE Advanced Optics problems. Tip 1. Always follow the sign convention. Object on the left means U is negative. Tip 2. For a double convex lens, R1 is positive and R2 is negative, and vice versa for concave. Tip 3. A virtual image from lens L1 becomes a real object for lens L2. Carefully track distances from each lens. Tip 4. Total magnification is the product of individual magnifications. Keep these formulas handy. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced 2021 solutions at MAGPIEHUB.